Jumping right in the fish fire. Cycling 52 kilometers and oh yeah, I'm avoiding the highway. It's back there, taking this square grid of gravel roads. So-called gravel grinding has been popularized lately. Sometimes it's not always cracked up to be, like if I have to ride on that stuff. But this, oh my god, the highway sound disappeared. The city sound disappeared. All sounds disappeared. Fox! Fox right here. Look at the little guy. Oh, hello. How are you? You're just a baby. Are you gonna come see me? Oh my god. That is so cool. Come on. Come see me. He's not scared. Come on. Come see me. So I basically followed the Red River north from Winnipeg about 30 miles. I crossed this highway and took these gravel roads to avoid this road. And now I'm crossing this and going back onto the gravel road. 4 ATVs who just came up here and went down here. They look like Mad Max Raiders. They're good roads. Okay. 10 to 8. 71 kilometers cycling. This is the highway I've been avoiding. It was all haze. And one of these days it's gonna look like a post-apocalyptic world because of this. So like, we got the coarse stuff down at the side and here in the middle. Coarse gravel, but on these ruts, it's perfectly fine. The slow but safe route. This is Broken Head First Nation. This little pond thing has been here all summer. And I thought it was just a pile up of stuff drifting, but no. I hear a beaver splash in here all the time. This is a lot more magical when you get here on human power than driving a car. We've got penguins here. I mean, not penguins. These are a freaky experience. Not for your average person, I don't think. Oh, Luna is here. Oh, yeah. That's not go very far. That's not a whole lot of light there. It's just rising. I think I might be like a nocturnal creature. Little birds flew out of here and then the beaver just swam right by. Swam up that stream. Morning, good morning. It was chilly. riding down into here. Okay. I don't go anywhere without these black diamond shell mitts. 116 kilometers. Okay, this is perfect. Perfect start. So this is as far as I can go. Dead calm. Just exploring this. I'm out in the lagoon. There's water on three sides. It's almost surrounded in water. Keeping an eye out for animal tracks. It's a pretty sizable beach. I came from the end there. Ultralight? No. Glamping? Yes. Haven never stops changing. So I got these two mismatched poles from two different products I've obsoleted myself. I just slide these poles in. Now this is held open. This line here connected to that pole. See, this is tipping down. If I pull on it, pulling on this lifts my roof. If I clip this espionage onto here, it's gonna hold that up. There's still only 2 points being held up, right? So the pole is resting on top of this whole mess, and these are pulling on it to hold it up. And now this is all space I have. If you try to tie down the bottom of something like this, you never get it to the ground. But if I tie it here, where my skirt is, it's gonna force that skirt down to the ground. So that's one of my next experiments. I'm dictated by weather. Ooh, look at that. That's awesome. Oh, I miss being on the water. I grew up on the water in the summer. This lake is dangerous. And even right now, it's a shallow lake. God knows where any rocks and sandbars or whatever are. I think you really have to know the area. Have to have studied it or something, been taught where you can't go. Whoa, that's freaky. It's changing color in front of my eyes. It turned from orange to like crimson. And this is why I have to like have my timing right. Everything's already passed. It's gonna get pretty dark quickly here. All day I've been sitting here with no mosquito mesh because there was no mosquitoes. There was no mosquitoes, there was no flies. And the wind was just blowing right on through here. So now, right at the end of the day, of course, predictable, sun's going down. One black fly appears on my arm. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Ouch, the bitings I bump into are quite astounding. Like the baby bear was right back there. The fox this morning, or last night. Oh my God, that was the coolest. There was another fox on PR 500. Similar, they're not afraid. They keep a safe little distance, but I mean, these are canines. That was a puppy. Just kind of soaking up the ambience. It's astounding what that is, and that's blocking the wind. So over here, there's no waves on that lagoon. This is only because of this. And on this side, the vegetation puts its roots in the sand, stops it from blowing away. Okay, that was quick and easy. Coffee topped off. I can't believe it's already 3 o'clock. And 11 kilometers. Now I'm gonna glide for like 10 kilometers or something. Now, 37E goes straight into Broken Head First Nation. I am literally twice as strong as I was last time I came up this way. 37E, Broken Head River, Broken Head First Nation. We're passing right on through the middle, Broken Head. The highway is over there. They can have their highway. Okay, just taking a peek at the highway that I'm avoiding. So these people are going north. These ones are headed to Winnipeg. And look at them side by side on the 2-lane road. So up there, this divided middle disappears. It goes down to 1 lane in each direction, no shoulder. Walk on down, walk on down, walk on down a country road. So this is Lebo. I'm sitting on Road 32. This is 86. This bird on the pole is down on the road. That is a hawk. That's not 20 miles of gravel riding. 20 miles. 20 miles of gravel to avoid this train of cars that's coming up here. Okay. This one cloud is really weird. Like, it's the only cloud in the sky. It's only 8:30 and the sun is already just about disappearing here. This is Highway 508. Basically following the Red River. That's Highway 4. And we're rolling into East Selkirk.